Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anam Zahir and I'm back with my 8th book review, which is Pathology Factor in Remedy Selection by Dr. Ashok Borkar. In this video, I'll be telling you about this book and all the details, the content of the book, the scope of the book, and why I like this book so much. So let's get started. As you can see, it's a very small book and it has 136 pages and it is published by Homeopathic Medical Publishers, Mumbai. Its first edition was printed in 2013 and it was reprinted in 2014. Now, I'll tell you about the author. The author is Dr. Ashok Borkar and he is born and brought up in the city of Mumbai, graduated from CMP Medical College, Mumbai, and he has a lot of desire to serve rural area, and he started his practice from the remote village area of Goa back in 1991, and where the place where nobody heard about homeopathy, and he got remarkable results in his early practice. Now I'll be telling you about the foreword of this book, which is written by none other than Dr. Rajan Sankaran sir, and he has admired author for his no fixed rules for prescription. The book starts with very interesting story of golden eagle, which says that let the eagle within you soar high into the sky. In the preface, author has discussed two cases and he has wrote about the scope of homeopathy in incurable cases and very difficult terminal cases. A retrospective journey of author, his failed and cured cases, which he has observed that prescription solely depending upon mental symptom cannot give you promising results always in every case. He wrote about the essentials of good prescription, be it proper case taking, be it correct case analysis, and to know the miasm, we have to understand the action and reaction of the patient, his perception, reaction to a certain situation, the pace of the problem, and how the patient, what attitude patient carries for such situation. Case discussions are given not just with the remedy but along with the questionnaire of case taking, case approach, the method which author used in prescription like kingdom method or sensation method. Along with that, the potency selection, why author selected such potency in such cases is very well given. It is evident from his cases that remedy cures a disease because it covers both the generals and the pathology. With the reference from the writing of Burnett, in the chapter Curability of Tumors by Medicine, he mentioned about the seat of action, range and spot of the action of the medicine. Every case discussion, the learning, the moral of case is separately given. Simple cases like ovarian cyst or even a difficult cases like frontal lobe hypertrophy, atrophy, infertility with vitiligo, they are explained in very detailed manner. A section of importance of diagnosis, the queries like how you should be sure that whatever rubric you have taken is correct. Understanding the peculiarities of pathology are solved in this book. The tips of clinical comparative materia medica are also given, like Staphylococcus aureus causes irritability of special senses, whereas acid phos causes slowness of senses. Author has praised with example how pathology is given in Phatak materia medica, and physician armed with knowledge of correct diagnosis can make very good prescription. But we have to be very cautious while using diagnosis as to select the remedy, because if we use diagnostic rubric as our first rubric, we might root out the correct remedy. So more than name of a disease, it is the pathological changing process which is taking place inside the body should be taken in account to select the remedy. Adding cherry to the cake, a case section of case taking, case solving technique is given where author has wrote about the essentials of good prescription. Book is rich in learning skills from all the stalwarts, be it Boger, be it Burnett, Dr. Clark, Phatak, and along with their proper references which make this literature more evident. Later, a chapter discussion with Dr. Borkar is given where author unwinded questions like which literature is best to find the pathological factors, importance of toxicological data, what advices Dr. Borkar has given to the young homeopath. At last, bibliography is given, and author has mentioned about the World Institute of Sensation of Homeopathy, WISH, and the other Song Academy, that how they treat and they're treating and their training programs. So I must say I just loved this book, and I completed it in within 2 or 3 days, because it was so practical, rich of clinical knowledge author can ever share, any author can share. And it is so wise, I must say very true, because author has also wrote about his failure cases as well, so we have got to learn from that also. So it's a must have book. Order it, start studying. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy. Homeopathy heals.